What are do's and don'ts, as we say, breach of privilege, what member of parliament can do, what they cannot do, it's very clear. And now the ethics committee will be examining this complaint and then making recommendations. The committee can formulate or suggest changes or do additions to the code of conduct. But prima facie, if this is violation of code of conduct, what happens next, Ashwani Dubey?
Maria, there are two aspects. Aspect number one, let's read the judgment of 2000. Let's read this, refer the case of 2005, where 11 member of parliaments were at the first hand, they were suspended, and that there on the later on the corruption and gratification charges were framed against them for asking questions in lieu of the case. If as a student of law, if prima facie I understand it, and if we refer to the letter of the member of parliament, Mr. Dubey, then we find that there are the allegations which has some worth, some credence. Because member of parliament, Mr. Dubey, also knows that if suppose his allegations are not found to be true, he has to face the consequences, because the letter written by him is in public domain, and if it violates the rights or if it violates the this Mahua Moitra's she has the reputation. Her reputation comes to stake, that she can also file. So here is the question: when the specific letters with the specific allegations has been referred to the Lok Sabha Speaker may take action referring the past precedents. And even the Lok Sabha Speaker, till the pendency of the investigation, may in fact suspend the membership of the member concerned against whom the allegations have been leveled. Because the three issues are broadly is to be considered. One, where there is a breach of privilege, then if you read the letter, and I also read the letter, then I find that there are questions which has been asked, means the immunity under Article 105 has been the breach has been done, and privilege has been, there is a violation of the privilege. And the second, if yes, then what is the nature of that breach? The nature of the breach is also similar to what the cash for query scam you relate. And third, what were the circumstances which led to such a breach? So let us see what happens. But I also, as a student of law, understand, because they are the legislature, they are accountable to the public, they have a public life, they have a constitution obligation, they have morality, constitutional morality. So till the time the allegations are being examined, the member of parliament concerned should be suspended, and she should be directed to join the investigation. Later, what will happen, that Mr. Dubey has to face the consequences if allegations are not found to be true. Because country run by the rule of law, she can always file a case under section 499, 500 IPC that she has been defended in public. But here, the question clearly says that her ID was in the excess of a businessman. The questions were being asked at the behest of the businessman. Certain amount of money has been allegedly delivered. All these questions needs answer. Yes. So let us see what will happen. But prima facie it appears that it's a breach of the privilege of Article 105 and 194 of the Constitution of India.